Oh, I want to get that little smile on video. There it is.
We got a review for you today. This gorgeous cast iron pan. This is a T-fal. The company T-fal. I believe they're out of Canada. And this is the E83407. Pre-seasoned, non-stick, durable cast iron skillet slash fry pan cookware. 12-inch black. When you think 12-inch, you think that's
Actually, it came out really nice.
pretty big, and it is. It's big. It's big. It's heavy.
Look at how good it came out.
It's
Isn't that nice,
comes
Goose?
pre-seasoned,
Daddy
and
made that.
that's great. I purchased it at
Really nice. Can't
Amazon
wait to cook in it.
from Amazon.com LLC. I paid $28.75 for it. Things I like about it: it's huge. It's got 2 places to grab. Comes seasoned, which makes actually seasoning it easier. And it gives me the ability to cook a good steak indoors, you know, which is a plus, especially during the winters up north here. And there's fast shipping. That's great. Things I dislike about it: I'm not sure it's big, but I'm not sure it's actually going to fit 2 steaks. And it's really heavy, like dangerously heavy. My overall feelings are, you know, it's cast iron pan. Look at it. It is what it is, and I think it's gonna work great. It's overall, it's a nice pan, and
I give it 5 stars. It's good for the goose. It's good for the gander. Thanks for watching. Ugh.
this video is me using the Ringer stainless steel chain mail cast iron cleaner. I just made some scrambled eggs with Cheez Whiz and butter, and I let the thing cool down. I'll show you how this mesh works. Adding a little bit of water. Probably work better if I use two hands, but I can't hold the camera at the same time. And there you have it. Without any soap or just water, no soap, and no scratches, as you can see. This works really well.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.